Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. My name is Debbie, but everybody calls me Cajun. I have an unbagging today from the company WISKF, W-I-S-K-F, and I'm gonna go ahead and open that for y'all. But first, I want to say thank y'all to all of my subscribers, and welcome back to all of those who are coming back. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I'm gonna make this kind of short, but not too quick and not too short, but kind of short, if that makes sense. So I got a PR package from Whisk. This is a company that sells aprons, totes, tote bags, makeup bags, of all different types and sizes. And I'm going to show y'all two products that they sent me for to show y'all on my channel. I will have a link to the website and the items that I'm going to show you. I'll also have a link in the description portion of this video. If you choose to order from them, you can use my code, which is Cajun05 off, CAJUN 05 OFF, Cajun 05 off for a 5% discount. Yeah, why I was saying K, maybe I should have spelled it with a K. Anyway, Cajun 5 off will get you a 5% discount. And like I said, everything will be linked in the description portion of this video. Let's get to opening. And y'all know I don't have no scissors. I still need one of those things. Those little pencil things. I'm gonna get one day. I've just been busy, y'all, like so much. Okay, so let's see. Put this out of the bag. I tried to get something different, you know, because I want to show the different products they have. The only thing is that I didn't get yet to show on my channel is an apron, and I would love to see it and feel it because I saw they look nice. So first we have a tote bag, and let me open it. Y'all, these are so nice because I did an unboxing for Whisk before, and I love their tote bags. And y'all, they come in handy, like so much for the beach. You can take them to the beach, to the park. If you're toting your kids, if you're bringing your kids anywhere, ballpark or whatever, you can put some snacks and stuff for them in here, or yourself. And I mean, it's really cool. They're really nice. So this one is a flowers. Y'all know I like flowers, so I chose this one. It's really a thick canvas type bag. Like, it's really thick and really durable. It has inside of the bag, it has a zipper pouch. And look how deep it is. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all how deep it is. The depth in here, look how deep. The depth is so deep, and it has a zipper on the top portion. It zips. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, they have straps. This is a long bag. Like, I love it because I can bring my put beach stuff, beach towels, suntan stuff in here. Just bring it with you to the beach, to the park, to the ballpark, anywhere. I love it. And y'all, like I said, it's durable. Like, it's really durable. It's not like paper thin or nothing. I don't know. I love it. I love it. I really love it. That's the print. It's floral. The straps. Even the straps are durable on there. I mean, I love it, y'all. The zipper is durable as well. It's not like cheaply made, you know. I mean, this is the back portion. The back portion is just gray. It matches the so I mean, it's really cute. And not only is it cute, it's durable. I like it, y'all. I mean, I really, 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 really like it. And look, that's just my size. The straps are short, so it's just my size. Just to, you know, so I could put it on my shoulder. And like I said, my kids played baseball. Well, my grandkids, they played baseball, football, all that kind of stuff. Soccer, whatever. You just stick some things in there and take it. Even if you have to leave it in your car, it's still... Or extra changes of clothes for them when they finish playing ball. Or something like that. I don't know, I really like it. It's so cute. And this one was, I looked on the site, and it's zipped tote bag, it's floral, and it's $8.99. $8.99 on their website. Like I said, I'll link it in the description portion of this video. I have one more thing. We're gonna unbag it. Yo, this is a makeup bag. Look at this thing. Look at it. This is a little toiletry bag. Look at it, y'all. It's like, I don't know if it's leather. I don't know what it is. But it's also durable. Look how cute. I'm gonna show y'all how it unzips. This is the front portion. It has a handle. It's pink. They have different colors too. And then this is the underside. I'm gonna open it. And it unzips like this. So it unzips to open all the way. So check it out, y'all. Look at this. Y'all could fit a lot of stuff in here to go on vacation, because that's what I'm going to use it for. We're about to go on our anniversary trip, and I'm using it for that, because it is, look how many pockets. Got a big pocket here. It's deep in here, a lot of room. You can, it's got a zipper portion here. Oh, wait. Yeah, zipper portion here. Another portion here. Compartment here. Compartment here. And like I said, it zips. You zip it. This is cool. I like it. You zip it back up. If I could get it to catch it. You zip it up like this, like so. Y'all, look. And you carry it like this. This is really, really cute. It's really cute. Comes in handy for vacations. Very, very, very cute. And it's also, like, the strap is durable. Even this, if y'all look close at it, it's not plastic. It's like real, it's durable, y'all. These are some very nice bags. I mean, I like them. I mean, everybody has their own opinion, but I like them. Because this is cool. I really like it. I'm going to test that sucker in April. We're going on our anniversary trip. I think it's pretty cool. I really, really do. I love it. Yeah, y'all. These two items are awesome. And as y'all could tell, pink is pretty much my favorite color. I do like purple as well, but pink is my favorite color. Like, who don't like pink? So these are the two items. And if y'all like those items, y'all can check out the link, the website. Y'all click on the link. I'll put the link down below to these items. And y'all click on the link. It'll take y'all to those items. But y'all, go take a look at their store. Really, they do have some nice things there. And y'all can get 5% off of your order. Cajun 05OFF. Put that code in, that discount code, and y'all get 5% off of your order. So yeah, thank y'all for watching this video, guys, and I really appreciate y'all hanging out with me for a few minutes to do this unbagging. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.